Rahul Gandhi has clarified on that. BSP Supremo Mayawati, in fact, has now responded. She has hit out at Rahul Gandhi, and she says that the clarification is misleading. Let's show you the tweet, the post put out by the BSP Supremo Mayawati. She says, and I quote, कांग्रेस नेता श्री राहुल गांधी की अब ये सफाई कि वे आरक्षण के विरुद्ध नहीं हैं, गुमराह करने वाली गलत बयानी। केंद्र में बीजेपी से पहले इनकी 10 साल रही सरकार में उनकी सक्रियता में इन्होंने सपा के साथ मिलकर एससी एसटी का पदोन्नति में आरक्षण बिल पास नहीं होने दिया, ये इसका प्रमाण है. So Mayawati, the BSP Supremo, is hitting out at Rahul Gandhi, saying that the Congress party along with the Samajwadi party in fact created roadblocks in the path of empowerment of the SC/ST community, and that in fact, according to Mayawati, is the real true character of the Congress party. The BJP is also hit out at Rahul Gandhi, saying that the anti-reservation mindset of Rahul Gandhi is out now. We'll try and connect with the reporters as well. Mayawati is hitting out at not just Congress but at the Samajwadi party as well. BSP Supremo hitting out at Rahul Gandhi, says the clarification coming in is also misleading. Congress and Samajwadi party didn't let the SC/ST bill pass, which is a big proof of how they never spoke in favor or interest of the SC/ST community. So Mayawati also taking jibes at Rahul Gandhi. Similar lines taken by the Bharatiya Janata Party as well on Rahul Gandhi's statement when it comes to corruption. The Congress party, on the other hand, says that there's a malicious campaign being run against Rahul Gandhi. Multiple advices also coming in for Rahul Gandhi that he needs to speak responsibly as a leader of opposition on a foreign visit, that there is no need to talk about these issues, whether it's the democratic setup in India or whether it's about people having the right to practice their religion freely, or whether it's about reservation. According to the BJP and the critics, is only trying to defame India. We have Nyamika joining us in the broadcast now. Nyamika, Mayawati also hitting out at Rahul Gandhi, saying the clarification is misleading and that they did not allow the SC/ST bill to pass, Congress along with the Samajwadi party. So Mayawati says this is nothing but misleading. She's calling out the bluff.
Well, absolutely. As the statement which is being given by Rahul Gandhi is that he has mentioned that he feels strongly that there is a very deep problem with participation, and he has also mentioned that the opposition parties are continuously addressing this particular problem. As he has also mentioned, and I would also like to quote what he has said yesterday about reservation, is that what we are saying is different from the idea of only reservations. We want a comprehensive understanding of what's going on and then apply a series of policies to correct it, with reservations being one of them. As he has also mentioned that somebody misquoted me as I was saying that I am against reservations. We are going to increase the reservations beyond 50%. I have been repeatedly stating this, and I have never been against reservations. So that is what Rahul Gandhi has given a clarification after we have seen that how Mayawati had raised an objection over the statement which was being given by Rahul Gandhi regarding the reservation matter, because he has said that she has said that this shows the real mindset of the Congress party, as Rahul Gandhi has once again mentioned that he is not in favor of reservation. However, yesterday we have also spoken to the Congress leader Pawan Khera regarding this entire matter. When we had asked him about the statement given by Mayawati, he has also mentioned that Mayawati didn't understand what Rahul Gandhi was trying to say, as when all the discrimination will end in our country, then we can think about changing our policies.
All right, Nyamika, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll connect with you again. For the moment, we're slipping into a very short break.